How can you use benchmarks to compare fractions? Think about this question during the lesson. Robert needs 3/8 stick of butter to make muffins and 2/3 stick of butter to make cookies. Which recipe uses more butter? You need to compare 3/8 and 2/3. Are the wholes the same size? Yes, you can compare these fractions because they refer to the same whole, a stick of butter. You can use benchmark fractions to compare fractions. Benchmark fractions are commonly used fractions such as 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 2/3, and 3/4. Compare 3/8 to the benchmark fraction 1/2. When you draw area models to compare fractions, you must be sure to use the same size whole for the two fractions. How can you tell that 3/8 is less than 1/2? A smaller part of the whole is shaded for 3/8 than for 1/2. So 3/8 is less than 1/2. To which benchmark fraction should you compare 2/3? Select your answer. Compare 2/3 to the benchmark fraction 1/2. You need to compare 3/8 and 2/3 to the same benchmark fraction. Since 3/8 was compared to 1/2, 2/3 should be compared to 1/2 as well. 2/3 is greater than 1/2.
Now you've compared both fractions to the same benchmark.
3/8 is less than 1/2 and 2/3 is greater than 1/2. So 3/8 is less than 2/3. The cookie recipe uses more butter than the muffin recipe. Now you know how to use benchmarks to compare fractions.